Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Emdadul, Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, Basic Discussion, and Exercise 3, Question 11 and 12 I will do in today's class. And your homework is homework 20. You have to solve question 10 from exercise 3, word problem 10. This is your homework. You will solve this homework and you will submit on next Saturday. Okay, dear students, let us see our today's topic. Our today's topic is chapter 3, basic discussion, and the name of the chapter 3 is measurement. Dear students, if you see your book here, the name of the chapter is measurement. Here, first topic is concept of measurement and units. Dear students, you have learned different types of measurement. You have seen, suppose sometimes you have to measure the length, sometimes you have to measure the weight, sometimes you have to measure the volume. In every case, you will get the unit of the measurement, and you have learned in previous class different units of measurement. And then next topic is measurement in metric system. Here, measurement in metric system. In metric system, here are some units shown here. Here from Greek, here is 1000, 100, 10, and unit. Unit means 1 here. Unit means 1. And from Latin, some units are taken here: 1/10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay, dear students, you will see this box and you will learn this from book very carefully. And in the next page, you will see the next topic, the units of measuring length. Units of measuring length. Here the units are smallest unit is millimeter, then the unit will get centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. You will get from smaller to larger units, from millimeter to kilometer. Okay, dear students, now this is metric system. These are the units of metric system, and in this table the units of British system are shown here: inch, foot, yard, mile, nautical mile, furlong. These units are given here. Okay, dear students, and then you will see unit of measurement of length is meter. It means generally we consider the unit of measurement. It means when we will measure the length, we consider the basic unit or main unit as meter. And then you will see here relation between British and metric system. The relation between British and metric system, you can see the relation: 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter, 1 yard equal to 0.9144 centimeter. These are the approximate value, not the exact value. 1 mile equal to 1.61 kilometer, 1 meter equal to 39.37 inches, and 1 kilometer equal to 0.62 miles. Dear students, I have given some tick mark by red color pen. These are important informations here. Okay, dear students, I will show you just important information and you will learn all the informations from the table. Now see, next page, measurement of weights. When we will measure the weight of any item, we have to use some weights. Suppose the smallest weight is milligram. In this case, you need to remember that main unit or basic unit of measuring weight is gram. Here I have written unit of weight is gram. Okay, then the larger unit is kilogram, means kg. In short, we can say kg. So you will see here this unit: milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, and then kilogram. Dear students, you will see here two important information, that is 100 kilograms equal to 1 quintal and 1000 kilogram equal to 1 metric ton. These are important informations. Okay, dear students, now let us go to the next page. Next page, here the next topic is measurement of volume of liquids. Measurement of volume of liquids. Here metric units of measurement of volume of liquids are shown here. First one is in case of measurement of volume of liquids, liter is the main unit or basic unit. Liter is the main unit or basic unit. So here milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, and last one is kiloliter. Dear students, in this way the units are shown here. I have told that main unit or basic unit of measuring volume of liquids is liter. And here is a remark given, dear students. If you see, the remark said that the weight of 1 cubic centimeter of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius temperature is 1 gram. Cubic centimeter is abbreviated as cc in English. Dear students, if you see the bottle of syrup, you will see there the unit is written in cc. This cc means the cubic centimeter. Okay, dear students, now see. So from this remark we can say that weight of 1 liter of pure water is 1 kilogram. Weight of 1 liter of pure water is 1 kilogram. Okay, dear students, now we can see the next topic, that is measurement of area. Measurement of area. Here are three formula given here. Measurement of area of a rectangle. Here length into breadth. So the area of the formula of the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Measurement of area of a square, that is side square. Measurement of area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay, dear students, now let us go to the next page. In next page, here is written metric units in measuring area. Here these are the metric units. Dear students, main unit or basic unit of the measurement of area is square meter. If it is given in meter, it will be square meter. If it is centimeter, it will be square centimeter. It means we have to use the word square before the unit. Okay, dear students, two important informations are given here. 100 square meters equal to 1 year. 100 square meters equal to 1 year, and 100 year is equal to 1 hectare. So we can say this means 10,000 square meter equal to 1 hectare. Okay, dear students, now if you see here in this table, metric units and local units are shown here. You will see this carefully. These informations are very important for your MCQ. Dear students, relation between metric and British system in measuring area. Here the relations between metric and British system of measuring area is shown here. Just I have indicated 1 hectare equal to 2.47 acres. This is very important information. Rest of the information you will read, but you need to remember, you must remember this information. To solve different types of problem, you have to remember this. Okay, dear students, now go to the next page. At page 36 you will see another table here. In this table, the relation between metric, British and national units in measuring area are shown here. Here I have indicated just only the important information. 1 acre is equal to 4046.86 square meters. 1 acre is equal to 4046.86 square meters. And using this information, you can solve all the MCQ and you can solve the creative questions. Dear students, try to memorize all the informations for your betterment. And next topic I can discuss here, that is volume. Volume is the cubic measurement of solid. Volume is the cubic measurement of solid. And volume of rectangular solid, formula for volume of rectangular solid is given here, that is length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. And you know the main unit or basic unit of measuring volume is cubic meter. Okay, dear students, now I am going to show you the last table of this book, of this chapter. Here the relation between metric and British system of volume. Here the units are one stair equal to 35.3 cubic feet, 1 deca stair is equal to 13.08 cubic yards. 1 cubic feet equal to 28.67 liters. Okay, dear students, so I have completed the discussion of basic informations of this chapter. Now I will solve 2 questions from this chapter. Dear students, 2 questions I have written on the board. Now you can see the question. Question 11 I have written from exercise 3 and question 12 I have written. At first I will solve question 11. Okay, now see question 11. The area of a rectangle is 10 acres and its length is 4 times the breadth. What is the length of the rectangle in meters? We need to determine the length in meter, and here the area is given in acres. So we need to know the relation between meters and acres. We need to know the relation between square meter and acre. Dear students, before that, at first we need to understand the question here. Here in the question it is said that the area of a rectangle, here this is the rectangle, suppose its length is 4 times the breadth. So if we consider this is the rectangle, this is the rectangle, and you will get this is length and this is breadth. So if we consider the breadth of the rectangle is x meter, then the length will be 4 times the breadth. So this will be 4 into x means 4x meter, and then we will get area easily. If we take the product of length and breadth, we will get the area. Using this basic concept, we will solve the problem. Okay, dear students, let us see. 11. Solution. We can write here, let the breadth of the rectangle is x meter. So the length of the rectangle is 4 times the breadth. It means 4 into x meter. This is 4x meters. This is 4x meters. Okay, now we know the formula for determining the area of the rectangle. We know area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, and the unit will be square unit. So we can write, therefore the area of the rectangle, the area of the rectangle, that is equal to, here length is 4x into breadth is x. As this is square unit, this will be square meter. Square meters. Now if we multiply, this will be 4x square square meter. Okay, dear students, now see, we have determined the area of the rectangle by using formula, but here the area of the rectangle is also given, that is in acres, but we need to determine the length in meter. So we need to find out the relation between the square meters and acres. Dear students, we know 1 acre is equal to 4046.86 square meters. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is given, that is 10 acres. So it will be 10 acres. 10 acres equal to, we have to multiply this by 10. 4046.86 multiply by 10. square meters. So we can write here 40468.6 square meters. Okay, dear students, now according to our question, we can say this is the area of the rectangle, this is also the area of the rectangle, so these two must be equal. So we can write here as per question, we can write here 4x square is equal to 4046.8.6, or we can solve and we can determine the value of x. So we can divide by 4. If we divide by 4, we will get the value of x square. If we divide by 4, we will get here 1011.7.15. 1011.7.15, and we will get here, that is, if we take the square root of this number, we will get here the value of x. Here the value of x is square root of 1011.7.15, and that will be equal to, if we take the square root, what will be the value? We can determine the value by taking the square root. We can determine 1016. We have to do the square root of 10117 1017.15. This is 100 point 58. If we consider 2 digit after the decimal, we will get here 58, and then if you want to take another digit, you can take. I will not take, just I will take 2 digit after the decimal. Now we have determined x. It means x means the breadth of the rectangle, and we can determine the length of the rectangle multiplying this by 4. So the length of the rectangle equal to 4 into 100.58. 100.58. Now if we multiply, what will you get? 4 8s are 32, 4 5s are 20, and 3, that is 23. Now put the decimal. 4 zeros are 0 and 2. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. 402.32. 402.32. This is our required. This is our required length of the rectangle. This is our required length of the rectangle. As the length is measured in meter, we can write here meter. And this is approximate value. Approximate value. We can write here also approximate. Approximate value. This is approximate value. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have understood how to determine the length or the breadth of the rectangle when area is given and another condition is given. Okay, dear students, so answer of question 11 is 402.32 meters approx. This is approximate value. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have understood the solution of question 11. Now I will solve question 12. Okay, let us see question 12. What is question 12? Question 12 is the length of a rectangular house is 1.5 time its breadth. 1.5 time its breadth. If the area of the house is 216 square meters, 216 square meters, what is its perimeter? What is its perimeter? So we need to determine the perimeter here. Okay, see the solution of question 12. So consider this is the rectangle. Suppose here is a rectangle whose length is 1.5 times of the breadth. So if you consider this is the rectangle, and if its breadth is x, and then what will be the length? 1.5 time means 1 integer 1/2 into x. We can express this as 3/2x. This is the length. If breadth is x, this will be the length. If breadth is x, the length will be 1 integer 1/2x. Okay, dear students. So we need to determine the perimeter. Okay, now see. At first we can write here, let the breadth of the rectangular house is x meter. So the length of the rectangular house is 1 integer 1/2 into x meters. So we can calculate here, this will be 3x/2 meters. So if we multiply this length and breadth, we will get the area of the rectangular house. So we can write, we know area of rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth, square unit will be square unit. Now we can write, therefore the area of the rectangular house, that is equal to, here length is 3x/2 and breadth is x, so unit will be square meter. So if we calculate here, we will get here 3x² by 2 square meters. Now we can say from the question here, this is given 216 is the area of the house, this is given. So we can write here as per question, 3x² by 2 is equal to 216. Now we can solve this. At first multiply by 2, this will be 3x², this will be 216 multiply by 2, or now remove this 3, you will get x², that will be, we have to divide both sides by 3, it means 216 multiply by 2 divide by 3. If we calculate here, what will we get? x² equal to, now we can divide by 3. If we divide by 3, this will be 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 72. So we can multiply 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. So 144 Now we have to take the square root on both sides. We will get square root of 144, that is x. Therefore the value of x is 12. As this is 144, square root of 144 is 12, so x is 12. It means the breadth of the rectangular house is 12 meter, and the length of the rectangular house will be 3x by 2. It means we have to put the value of x. So determine the length. So the length of the breadth of the house is 12 meters, and the length of the house is, we have to write here 3 into 12 divided by 2, or we can write here, you can cut 12, 6, 3, 6, 18 meters. So 18 meters is the length and 12 meter is the breadth. So this means 18 meter and this means 12 meter. Dear students, we need to determine the perimeter of the house. What is its perimeter? We need to determine the perimeter of the house. So at first we have to know what is perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of the length of these four sides of the rectangle. Perimeter means sum of the length of all sides. So here 2 lengths and 2 breadths, and we know the formula of the perimeter is, we can write, we know perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. This is unit. So we can write, therefore the perimeter of the house, perimeter of the house will be equal to 2 into, here length is 18 and breadth is 12 meter, unit is meter, so this will be 2 into 18 and 12 is 30 meter, so this is 60 meter, so this is 60 meter. So we can write here, therefore the required perimeter of the house is 60 meter. So we can write, therefore the required perimeter is 60 meter. Okay dear students, so this is the answer of question 12, 60 meters. I hope you have understood the solution of question 12, and following my today's lecture, you will solve question 10 from exercise 3 as your homework, and you will submit your homework timely. Dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Assalamu alaikum.